You know the drill. Friday, Amazon puts. I'm about to take mine here in about 1 second. You know the drill. What's the drill? Friday, Amazon puts. I'm about to take mine here in about. You guys hear me or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
All right.
I can hear you.
Perfect. All right. See if we head up here to that 50%er. I just got filled on my 10 right now. That's 50%er. See if we get rejected here. And tank, I say. Look at that. Up $100 already. Come on. We opened up right here. Oh, one. We opened up right here. We should push down 50 cents. Should take this low out, but we will see. Look at SPY and Qs. Get ready for SPY. You could take a breakdown right here to the 0%er. However, our pre-market low is down here at 392. This red arrow prints is going to give us a boogie put. Come on, Amazon, push down here. Let's get underneath. Let's get underneath 89. Everything else is falling.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Your seatbelt is ajar.
There he is. Hey, it's funny you're coming in on the red market, but hey, good morning.
No, this is the first day I've been up early enough.
Hey, we missed you for a while, you know?
Well, thanks.
Order filled.
Jeez, what's it doing right there? Yeah, I did not get a red arrow. Money Will says BMT in the box already. Jeez. That dude, he don't play around no more, does he? Money Will not playing around anymore. He said, give me my money and give me my money now.
Got in that little dip. SPX, 10 of them. I'm done.
10 of them. Jeez, you better be done.
Damn.
That's what I'm talking about.
Quick 12.
Nice. 12K, huh? I like it.
Yeah, I wish.
Quick 1200. I still like it. Get a nice healthy reset here on SPY. We're at the 50% fib. Let's see if we get rejected here. Still waiting for Amazon to roll over here. I would like to go risk-free. We could come back down to about 89. Is my lotto trade for today.
Glad to see we can at least agree on that 50% line.
For once, right? You're not upside down this morning, huh?
Well, no, 50% is always going to be in the same spot.
Well, I know that, but you it might be something different. I mean, you might be looking at a side eye or something. You never know.
Y'all the best.
Those of us on the correct side of the planet know where the 100 and the 0 is.
I have it on my chart. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Where's yours at, Brandon?
An Australian trading system.
Don't get them wound up. All right, come on now.
Okay, we are in alignment today, Brandon. You did it right today.
Yes, sir. I do it right every day. Come on, Chris. Come on, Amazon, push down. Let's go.
Negative tick 600.
Money Will, look at you calling the shots over there.
Just watch it.
We are going to get an algo sell here on SPY if we take this low out right here, 394.11. You know the probabilities of the algo sells. I need Amazon to drop another 30, 40 cents, and I will gladly initiate my trail stop. Come on, sugar. Let's go. Get down there. I want SPY to roll over and Q's to roll over, so it pulls it down. Come on. Roll over. Do not want to take, well, I guess we already took structure out. We had a high here, lower high here. We closed above it. Not good. Come on, Amazon. Roll on over for daddy. Come on. We do got news coming out, what, at 10 again, right? More news?
Always news, always news.
It seems like that every day. I'll be happy if we just break 89.12. Look at SPY on a mission here. We're going green, huh? We going green. Come on, Amazon, get down there. Let's go. I would just love to get underneath 389 and then flush right down to 388, and I will be happy. Happy Friday. Was waiting for a red arrow over here. We did not get. SPY looks like the momentum shift's about to cross to the upside. Let's see what happens here. Just poaching Amazon. See what it's going to do here. Boom, boom. What time did you start? Market just started 7 minutes ago, boss. $9:30 a.m. is the starting time. No, we didn't do our Zoom class starts at 10:30. We'll go over the coloring book then. We're live trading right now. Yes, sir. Dude, Amazon does not want to fall right now, does it? Let's see SPY and Q's and them start rolling over here. Yeah. For our floor and ceiling stocks. As of right now, I like Tesla for a ceiling break, McDonald's for a ceiling break, PFE for a ceiling break, Triple M for a ceiling break. For floor breaks, I do, as of right now, I do like Apple, I do like Nike and Amazon. I do like Amazon for a floor break.
And we do have news in 20 minutes.
And we do have news in 20 minutes. I would love to just get out of my position.
Do we know what that news was first thing this morning that dropped everything?
That was
Yeah. That was
All the
It was
PPI and
CPI.
stuff were
It was
positive.
CPI.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if it was a CMI or it was PPI or whatever.
CPI,
you know?
CPI.
No, PPI. Brazil had CPI.
I thought it was
US
I thought it was
PPI.
I thought it was BMI.
That's you. No,
Okay.
the PPI was all good news, all higher than expected. But that just means that, up is down, right is wrong. Dogs and cats are living together.
What is right is wrong and wrong is right. That's what he says.
Yep.
Although I don't think that's a good thing. PPI is the producer's prices, and so the producers' prices rose faster than expected. So, not positive news,
More cost to us, sir, right?
right? So,
Yeah, but everyone's
Bob-
buying it right now. It must be positive news,
Bob,
you know?
Bob's conspiracy doesn't play out this time.
So isn't the inventories coming out next?
Yeah, in 20 minutes.
Is that what comes out today is inventories?
Yeah.
Like oil and,
Double check.
or I don't even know. Was it like,
Yes, sir. Let's see. Michigan consumer expectations, Michigan. It's really wholesale. There's wholesale inventories, but that's all like 1-star, like not. There's only 2-star
Keep
news.
talking, baby. Keep talking. Amazon's falling.
Michigan consumer sentiment and expectations.
Don't you stall out. Come on, keep going. Let's go. Boom, boom. Come on, Amazon. Come on,
VIX is
Amazon.
still dropping.
What is VIX?
Yeah.
Boom, boom. It's like we bouncing right here at the 50% fib. What is that? 395.32, huh? Just want Amazon to break this little where my cursor's at. I'm about to just delete the lines. If the lines ain't there, they could fall, right? That's our is that how it works or what? I'm gonna get an algo sell. Looks like it'll be making me wait for a little bit.
Yeah, VIX is getting heavy.
I wanted to get unheavy, take his heavy shoes off, so
Take the
then,
load off.
yeah, it could rip up, and then Amazon and SPY could fall. You know what I'm saying? Is it too much to ask for on this wonderful Friday? You know what I'm saying? Come on. Ooh, ugh. What do you think this news is going to do to the market? Rip it up, or you think it's going to drop it? Think it's pushing up in order to set up for the drop, or you guys think we're going to keep
No
trending
idea.
up? We're going to go green.
Flip a coin.
50-50,
was
honey,
it
right?
is it inventory news? What's the news coming out?
No, I told you it's just like the Michigan consumer sentiment.
Oh, I went to get a cup of coffee. I didn't hear it.
Oh, okay.
So
He's
who
eating his
cares
dippy
about
eggs.
what,
Let him go.
who cares about what
It's-
Michigan has to say anyways?
Yeah.
Is that thing?
Apparently, they've got it rated as 2 stars on investing.com.
Dang it! Look at Amazon pushing. I'm about to buy it
What's
again.
Yelp's have on them?
Huh?
Don't they have a Yelp rating?
It's -3.
Oh, okay. I'm glad I didn't get Amazon puts. Jiminy Christmas.
Hey, easy, Tiger. It's not over yet. All right, news is going to come out. I just want to flush down. We're getting a butter call right now. A butter call is printing. Here's your stop out. Here's your entry.
Damn, 15 minutes already? Jesus.
Yeah, and our floor and ceiling, it just got broke to the upside as well. Holy mackerel.
Someone's got an inside scoop on the news, I guess. Or they're pumping it up to drop it.
They're pumping it up to drop it, maybe. Who knows?
Hey, Jen, we can see you in bed, just so you know.
Who? What'd you say?
Simone looking at somebody in the
Someone
bed.
named Jen has their camera on, and well, now it's black, but the camera's still on. But we were watching her in bed.
Oh my goodness.
I don't let her know.
Man, you should have let us know earlier. We like that. Toilet pictures and everything.
Dude, this guy's too much, isn't he?
Brandon got an SPX buy.
SPX buy. Are you in it? You in?
I'm in and out. Since I do so many contracts, I just pull and get. I don't stay in them long.
Gotcha. I hear you. In and out, man. You a robber over there.
Without a mask.
Hey, there you go. Now Spy's want to go all the way back down, right? And go break the floor.
That would be a nice thing.
I'll take it.
As long as
I
it
will
takes
take it.
Amazon with it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's what I was thinking. Yes, come on, bring Amazon.
Come
Wait a
on, I
minute.
just want to see underneath 89. Come on. Let's go, Bay. You know what I mean? Jeez.
Yo, it's good. Does anybody know which extra market data I need to add for the ES on TradingView to get the most up to date?
I think it's a CME.
The CME group. Okay, I just want to make sure.
And then you get like you get the Qs, the Dow, and NES.
Okay, got it. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. How you doing over there? You good?
Welcome to the dark side. Yeah, I got my money for the day on the what is it? The ceiling. So trying to see if I want to stop her. Keep it going, you know what I mean?
Oh man, that's the $1 million question. Do I take another one or do I not?
Yeah, well, I'm using that strategy I was telling you about last night. So I mean, hey, it's 1 for 1, so we'll see.
Hey, let's go. Next time, call it out, man. Call it out. We're good.
Hey, I got a back test.
Hey, shaking and baking. You know how we do.
All right, Darrell, what you back testing?
Don't tell Will. I'm stirring the pot, right?
Give me a week. I gotta prove it out. You know what I mean?
Talk to you next Friday.
He's not back testing. He's front testing and not
Yeah,
telling
front
us.
forward testing. Yeah. But that's what got me because I'm on TradingView. I'm like, why is the time so delayed? And then I thought about the extra date, and I was like, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So forward testing is you
Carmelisi-
actually
Carmelisi's
trading
swinging
and
some
see if it
big-
works. Is that what forward
Big
testing?
bags over there. 2 ticks up 7, up a
Yeah,
grand on EF.
that's forward testing, Will. So like, in order for you to still confidence in something, you got to trade it live money. You feel me? So
Yeah, that's what I
he
thought.
back tested something, and he's like, well, if I'm winning 85% or 90% of the time, let me forward test it for a couple weeks, and then if he's still winning that same amount in the live market, then he'd feel more comfortable to share it. You follow me?
Yeah. Yeah, Chris, Carmelisa over there killing it this morning.
Well, I mean,
Thank
she,
you. I went in before because on my trading view the buy came in earlier than when Brandon said it. So I don't know.
Well, I'm
But
not
how
even
are
looking
you
for a
get-
buy. I'm
how-
looking for a sell.
how many contracts are you taking to get a grand with 2 ticks?
Say again?
How many contracts are you taking to get a grand with 2 ticks on ES?
It was the order contract.
She bought 2 contracts, Chris, not 2 ticks.
Yeah, 2 contracts. That's correct. I'm sorry. I made.
Yeah, if it was like 2
I was
ticks.
like, that would be like
Say again?
42 ES contracts that to come hang out with you
No,
more.
she got 2 contracts.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well done. Nicely
Order
played.
filled.
Thank you.
contracts, Sunshine. 2 contracts.
Did we get our Amazon
All
sell?
right, you guys keep talking. Don't look
keep
at him.
talking.
Don't look at
Amazon's liking it
Amazon.
right now.
I think
Yeah.
we got an Amazon sell.
We got our Amazon sell right now. Yes, we did. We got the
let's
Amazon
not
sell.
let's not even talk about it.
Let
it's
it
not
break the
it's-
floor for me. Come on, break the floor. You got your Amazon sell. SPY's pushing down again. Come on, let's go. Pull this down. Let's go. Get
Pour
real
the
heavy,
hell.
SPY.
Man, I missed my entry.
Well,
Talking
I'm done.
shit.
Back up.
I missed my entry.
I need SPY
talking
to keep
shit.
falling. To pull Amazon with it. Come on. You ain't done dropping yet. You get yourself down there. Jeez, look at this thing. Keep dropping. I need my Amazon to fall a little bit more. And barbecue. And Mr. Logan was saying about my Amazon puts. I'm gonna sell out with the winner. Come on. Come on. We are crazy. Yep. You already know. We do this every day. Ugh. Don't fleek on us now. Phil, did you trail out on your Amazon already?
Oh no, I'm in it.
All right.
I'm
If
waiting.
it breaks this low for you, because you got in way up here, if it breaks this low for you, I'd probably go risk free. I'm going risk free if we can break this midline.
Yeah,
Just to let you know.
I will be the same.
Come on, Amazon. Let's go. Flush it, flush it, flush it. I do not want to be holding this in 8 minutes, but I might have to. Barbecue Bob over there, he's probably like, oh, I'm only up $37,000 today. Come on.
Here come your flush, Brandon.
Oh, it's coming, bro.
Yeah.
Flush, 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 flush. Let's go.
Keep talking, Will. You got the magic. You got the magic hand. Go.
Oh, it's here right now.
Woohoo! What's it going to, Will? I want to know a number.
I ain't gonna do that to you.
Come on, Will. If you speak it, it's gonna happen. Let's
89, Money Will, 89. Let's go.
go.
All right.
88.50.
If I throw numbers out there, I just be talking. I just
Hey,
know
keep
it's gonna
talking,
come down.
Keep talking. It's coming.
Keep going.
If I was you, Phil, I would be risk free. I'm not going risk free yet.
Preach it. Preach it.
I'm just letting you know. I will go risk free on them Amazon algo sell puts.
I got a bad fill. I'm not just shy of even.
Oh, you got in when I got in then. I thought you got in at the top on the true algo sell.
Oh no, I didn't.
Got in then.
No, I got in early.
Yeah,
Or I
me
got in.
too.
I went out pretty much out the gate. A little tiny pop, but I got a bad fill.
Yeah, I got in at the very top of the pop on the first minute, but
Yeah, I didn't get that. I didn't get that lucky.
We're gonna get a SPY sell here after this closes, and then a break of the low.
yep. We're gonna
Okay,
get an
let's
algo
go.
sell just like Chris said right here. If we break this level right here, that blue
Oh,
line,
break.
butter call played out for a winner. Let's break and flush down. Give us that sell. Do not want to be holding in news.
No.
What are you doing here? Roll on over, Bug.
And of course, I had to wait until 5 minutes to the news. I'm waiting.
You know, Chris's motto is Richard Wreck. You know he's going in 10 lot.
No, I ain't going in.
Come on, we got the
Nope.
algo sell, right?
Let's go.
Yep, it's there.
Drop like a rock.
We got the algo sell. About an 85% probability. We expect it to push down from this line.
I need to hear you, Will. Talk it down. Talk
Okay.
it off the cliff. Talk it off the cliff. Let's go.
We talking SPY, y'all still on Amazon.
Amazon.
Both.
Both, yes.
Use your magic money, Will. Use your magic.
Yes, both.
Yes.
Really seems like a lot of pressure, Will. How you feeling right now?
Look, I feel great. I
Yeah.
ain't in the trade.
Yeah.
$1,200. Great. He's feeling.
I got back in. I got a little bit more out. I just didn't bring it up. I'm done for the day though. But y'all be fine.
Hey, we won't be fine. Just flush it down a little bit more, then we'll be fine. All right.
You want to go down right now?
Yeah, right now. Put a will bar in that.
Yeah, might be a little minute.
And if you do
Yeah, I
take the
got a
algo sell,
question.
stop out is 396. So a break above this line right there, you probably want to cut it. I don't want it to happen, but you always have to have a plan when you trade.
Yeah, algo's already failed twice this week.
Hey, don't speak that. All right, Simone? Come on now.
Just calling it as it happened.
You know, the funny thing is I don't hear her calling it out when it wins. I only hear her chiming in when it loses.
Well, that's her. You know what I mean?
That's a lie. I've called out the algo when no one's paying attention multiple times the past 2 weeks. Thank you very much.
Negative Nancy over
And they
there.
won.
doing-
And they won.
I think somebody's having Pilates withdrawals.
No, I did it this morning.
Oh, man. Don't stir her up, Chris. Come on now.
He wants to stir me up because he's not calling out the plays. He's just like, how many contracts did you take to get these ticks?
Yeah, he
Call out
knows
some
it.
winners for us, then come back and talk to me.
Hey, man, I just trade what I see.
You got 2 minutes for a drop. Let's go.
I like this. Darrell, you was about to say something. I want to hear it.
Oh, man. This
Oh
will be
yeah, no,
funny.
it was just Brandon. I had a question about order execution since I'm getting used to Ninja. If you're trying to, because I do a lot of buy stops and sell stops.
Yeah.
So if you're trying to do a sell stop on Ninja, I see it gives you the option for sell stop market and sell stop limit. Which one will the market execute you? So say we blast past the floor. Will the market execute you at the bottom of that big ass candle, or will it do it at the exact spot, or is that the limit?
Crazy Chris, you want to help him out here?
Yeah, so if you do a sell stop limit, you have to get filled. Like if you won't get filled at that particular price, then it's going to skip over you. But if you do a buy stop market, then it'll fill you no matter what. But then you'll slippage.
Gotcha. So you want the limit. Gotcha.
Well, yeah. Yeah,
Because if
I
you
mean,
get a
if you
big
want that
candle,
exact
you don't
entry,
want to
like,
get filled at the top or the bottom of it with the market, right?
Uh-oh, we got news in 1 minute.
Yeah, I mean, it all
Something big's going
depends
to
like
happen.
what you're trying to shoot for. Like if you've got a wider profit target, then missing out on
Right, I
ticks
got
or whatever, it's not that big of a deal. But if you're going for a quick scalp, then yeah, that market move might or that market buy with the slippage might kind of kill your profit.
Right, gotcha. Okay, I got it. Appreciate it.
All right, come on, tank Amazon for me, baby. Let's go.
All right, we got news, baby. Let's go.
Make it drop. Let's go.
Yes, come on.
I don't think that's doing what you want it to.
No.
There it comes
no.
for you. Here it comes, Bobby. That was just the squirt up before it tanks.
Yeah.
Probably.
Order submitted.
Shoot.
Come on, fall. Let's go.
Ooh, look at that wick on SPY.
Oh,
Goodness.
Dude, what the heck is going on right now?
Market makers.
We have markets.
I wanted Amazon to fall a lot more than that, you bugger.
That's one hell of a doji.
Yeah, it is.
Was that even a fall?
yeah.
It was only a fall if you got stopped out.
I got stopped out. Not on the fall.
No, on the pump, on the algo.
I don't like when the VIX and SPY push up at the same time. I hate it.
Hate it.
So got a little retracement.
I just
On Amazon, what are you doing here?
And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we need to roll contracts over on futures for Monday.
Depends how much volume is switching over.
Right.
Boom, boom. Well, Amazon did not do what I wanted it to do.
I just got another buy on SPX too, Brandon.
Yeah. Good thing is on Amazon, where am I at here? I'm down 17 cents right now. Still could come back. Highly unlikely, but still could come back.
Yeah, VIX selling off is pushing everything else up. Sell and Big B, SPX.
Gotcha. Jeez. Oh man, that is crazy. What a Friday. That wick is nuts. Chris, what's up with your 1-star news here? You know what I mean? Crazy doji or what?
That would be 2-star news, sir.
Yeah, that's nuts. Still want Amazon to roll over here. Come on. Get down here to 90, 89. Jeez.
It still can do that.
Oh, I know it can. It's about to. If SPY rolls over here, it breaks this low. SPY
They
can
might
get
have
underneath
just-
395, we'd be good.
They just went up to gather some money.
Yeah, we'll see. Boom, boom. $89.60. Where are we at? Boom, boom. Anybody has any stocks or questions they want to look at? I totally forgot the rest of the floor and ceiling plays. Holy mackerel. We got Ford for a ceiling break. Let's check Ford real quick. Ford broke the ceiling. I would be risk-free if you took that. I did not take it, and I did not call it out, so you probably didn't take it. What was another one that was on our list? Tesla. Tesla, we wanted to have, it's about to break the ceiling right now. Everything's pointing up. You got your momentum shift to the upside. If we get a breakout, it would be a good probability for an entry to get expansion to the upside. Disney, DIS, breaks the ceiling. It's just breaking the ceiling right now. That's a good probability. Boogie is bullish, and momentum shift is bullish, just breaking the ceiling. You want to take this, I would hold it. I'd have a stop loss right around 92 on the share. 93.32, half of that. I'd go up to about 94 on the share price if you're going to take the option. So if you would take this and it hits close to $94 on the share, I would go risk-free in the stock option world. Put Q's back so Eagle Eye doesn't yell at me. There you go, Eagle Eye. You got your Q's back.
Thank you.
And you should be good now. Now it looks like SPY's going to drip all the way down, and that's okay. Break the floor. So pull Amazon with you. You know what I'm saying?
Brandon, are you in the middle of Slope of Hope?
Hey, I am. I want the slope of hope. You know what I mean?
I need it too.
I want the Silver Creek plunge. Come on now.
All right. Yeah, I hadn't heard that in a while. That's what we
That's
need.
what I want. Silver Creek plunge. One time.
I don't know if it really matters, but I am gonna go get my coffee.
There you go. I want to go get mine too, but I just want it to fall so I can just put my trail in and be happily ever after. You know what I'm saying?
I'll hear you when you scream.
You sure will. Boom, boom. Ugh. Boom, boom. Dude, Amazon is crazy right now. Look at this ish. It's just sitting here. What's it doing? What is it doing?
He's in 3 failed algos this week. Jeez, it was a bad
Jeez.
week for the algo.
You just had to speak it into existence, huh?
I mean, it already happened.
I mean, technically, if the algos, let me pull this up. Technically, with news, it's hard because it hit target and it didn't hit target. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, we were stopped out before then.
Well, I mean, it happened so fast that it went up and straight down. So, I mean, if you were fast enough to click the button, I hear you. But if you couldn't have been fast enough to take profits either. So, I'd consider it a loss. You know what I'm saying?
It was definitely a loss.
I'm still in it though. I'm still in it. It just happened so fast I couldn't get in and out, you know? Right here, we took this sell right there. So here was your stop. It definitely hit the stop. And it also hit the target, but it ripped up so fast, came back down, then ripped up. Either way, I'm stuck in it still. I'm in it still. And if we do break this high, I will officially cut it. I really need Amazon to roll over though. I got 10 contracts still open. Come on. And if SPY could just break this little wick right here, we should go down and revisit the low. If we can get back down here again, I will be risk-free. I'll promise you that one. This freaking corruption candle volume nuts. All right, roll over now. Roll over so I can get out of everything and we all be good. Boom, boom. Ugh. Come on. Down 13 cents on Amazon. Let's go. Bless me. Come on. Hey, what are you doing? What? I was back in my bed. Love you. Can you give me a hug? All right, we get that flirt in that first red candle here on Amazon. I like it. Come on, SPY. Just roll over here and push Amazon down. Here's SPY pushing down.
Looks like it's listening to you.
Dude, come on. Let's go. Tell him, Eagle Eye. One time, right? One time. Tell Vix to run up there to 23 or 23.50 real quick. Oh, man. I'm on Amazon. If you could just break this right here, I will put my trail stop in. I promise you. 89.14. 89.14. I will put my trail stop in.
That's right. When it's going to take the big plunge.
Oh, man, that's what I want. Silver Creek plunge. Boom, boom. Dude, this thing does not want to drop, does it? Just gathering more money. Gathering more money. What do we got here on our 30 minutes? We got another inside bar again. Failed to the downside, end up breaking to the upside. This bar is staying inside. Do not want it to take this high out. You can roll back over. Is it too much just for Amazon to fall another 55 cents? Like, you know what I'm saying? Come on. Come on, here we go. It's getting heavy. If SPY could break 394.72, we'd be grateful. And that should pull Amazon down for us. Should. Doesn't mean it will. Boom, boom. Look at it. Double little bottom 1 minute analysis chart. Break that. Get underneath 395. You can do it. Dude, look at Amazon. I've never seen this bugger been this freaking pain in the rear, we gotta say. Come on. Just roll over. I just want to initiate my trail stop. Boom, boom. This thing being stubborn. Anybody has any stocks they want to take a look at, just throw them in the box. Or come in on the mic. Come on, SPY. Flush down now. You got another algo sell on SPY. It breaks this, but it's not as strong as the first one. I want it. Push it down here. I need you to pull Amazon with you. Put your big pants, put your big boy pants on and roll over. Bring Amazon down with you. And then after you get us all out, or me and Amazon, then you can bounce and do whatever you want because I got long swings. The best of both worlds. Is that too much to ask on a Friday? I don't think so. Boom, boom. Jeez, Eagle Eye, what are you doing to Amazon over here?
Well, I was just gonna say we haven't heard from Barbecue Bob. What are we
Yeah, need a
looking for
barbecue
here, Bob?
bar.
Yeah. That might be the problem. We don't have him in here
Yeah, where's he at?
on this Amazon.
Huh?
He's not here.
You're here?
No, he's not here.
Oh, that's the problem.
Boom, boom. Come on, so close, but yet so far.
What up?
Do money, what up, what up?
Wait, so when I joined, it said this meeting is being live streamed, so I had to be careful what I say.
You can act up, you good.
Okay. Someone's got to do it if Uncle Jerry's not here.
Yeah, yep. I keep Uncle Jerry in your prayers.
Oh, don't worry. We're taking over. It's all good.
What's up, Chris?
What's up, homie?
We're barely moving here. It's just like back and forth.
Yeah, I'm stuck in Amazon. Got 10
It
contracts
has
now.
been so slow.
I know. We don't got Barbecue Bob putting his bars in, you know what I'm saying?
Hey,
I don't know if
what
he
are
got
you
barbecue today
doing?
or what he was doing.
What are you doing?
Got a QQQ sell, Amazon sell, Microsoft sell, SPY
Buy,
sell.
sell.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Now get Amazon down here. There we go. Here we go. Come on. I'm down right now. 5 cents. I may just have to initiate my trail and just take advantage of this little push down. Get me back in the green. Boom, boom. On, I said 89.04, or I'm sorry, 89.14. We hit 89.15. What the heck? What the heck? Should just set the trail, but I wasn't even up. So come on, bug. You can roll back on over. Boom, boom. Ooh, oh.
Starting to get the 5-minute scalper blinking
What, to the downside?
to the downside.
Oh man, bless me. Let's go.
Blinking on and off. Here we go. Come on.
Boom, boom. Come on, Spy, roll over. Let's go. Come on, Amazon, get down there and break the floor. You know you want to. Oh man. Come on, give me some IV hike. Down 5 cents. again.
So close, getting within a penny here.
Dude, I
Come on.
know.
There it is. There it is. It broke.
All right, do I go risk free now or do I just keep
That's
holding?
it.
What's the deal here? 89. We get some IV hike. I'm in profits by 2 cents right now.
Oh, well,
Dude,
it's green.
ho!
It's green.
It's green. Let's go. I'm about to go risk free. I don't know why I'm not clicking it yet. Break underneath 89. Come on. That's what I was talking about. I needed a nice move like that. Give us another candle just like that. Breaks underneath 89. I will initiate my trail.
That's what you said 10 cents ago.
I promise you. Just for that, I'm initiating my trail right now. 10
No.
contracts. I'm not giving it back.
What are you giving back?
Look, it's going to get me out, then it's going to fall. Watch.
It is. It is going to take you now that you did that. Thank you.
Uh-oh, it's falling. Get underneath 89. Let's go. Flush down. Flush down.
Come on, Baba. Come on down.
That just stopped me out. I'm completely out of my Amazon.
For 2 pennies.
I made $30 on that trade. Let me go. $30 is better than a $600 loser. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, I'm with you.
Hey, I'll take it. Not what I wanted, but it's all good. If anyone's crazy like me right now that was still holding that algo, the algo sell, I'm up right now 2 ES points. I'm going to put an order in, so I cannot take a loss on this. The new algo sell is still valid. We got a break right here where my cursor's at. Should get movement to the downside. We would want to get underneath 395. We'll see what happens.
Mhm.
Boom, boom. Come on, push down here. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
And this thing needs to fall. Let's go.
Shake and bake, baby. Push it down.
Papers.
Here goes Amazon about to drop, and I'm out of it. Look, 180, 89. Look at that ish. It's all good. Never be mad with the green bag. Now let's see SPY push down some more. Boom, boom.
Oh, break under 89.
What'd you say? Crazy Chris, you in a short right now?
I am.
Flush.
It's my first trade of the day.
Hey, get green, stay green. Enjoy your weekend. We're coming over to go. We're coming to the ice rink. You know what I mean?
Yeah, baby. We got about a half-inch of ice now.
Is it done filling up yet or no?
Oh yeah, it got done yesterday. About or no,
So
was
there
that
was
2
no
days ago?
leak.
There was no leak. It was just
Is this you?
a lot of water. Well, it's never taken that long to fill.
Gotcha.
22 hours. That's 10 hours longer than our longest fill, I guess. So
Boom, boom. I'm going to get my coffee. I'll be right back.
You are currently the only person in this contact.
I don't know, guys. VIX is dropping.
Got my coffee. Good thing I trailed out of Amazon. You see that?
Yeah. I was just saying VIX is dropping, man. Everything's turning green.
Jeez.
Well, everything was green, right? We never really had negative basis points.
Oh, we were red, bro.
Oh, we were red. Okay.
Starting the day out, I believe we were red.
Get green and stay green.
That's right. All right, if anybody took the swing trades with me yesterday, NVIDIA, I'm up over 50 cents a contract. On a shorter term swings, I might be going risk free. What is NVIDIA doing right now? Is it ripping? Oh yeah, it's up near the high, huh? I will take it. All right, we're about to start class here in a couple minutes. Boom, boom. Anybody have any questions before we start class? If you are newer, I appreciate you and your time. This is where we go over the coloring book. The coloring book.
All right, Brent, I'm gonna hop off, man. Have a blessed weekend.
I appreciate you, boss. Have a blessed one, all right?
All right, see you next week.
Yep. I message Barbecue Bob. Tell him thank you. Look, Crazy Chris, you in still? He says yes. Crazy Chris, you about to get paid. Boom, boom. All right, recording is on. Let's get ready to rock and roll. We're going to go over this coloring book and show you what we do each and every day. And this is how I trade the probabilities and why I feel I have an advantage over time. That is just me. All right, first things first. Where the stars at? We call this first part right here. We name everything, by the way. Just so you know, it's an easy target where we say butter calls or puts or so on. Anyway, this first chart we call butter. Beast mode butter. There's 3 sets of rules. 1, 2, 3. You have your momentum shifts. you have your arrows, and you have your line color, right? Rule number 1 is in this box right here. Pretty self-explanatory. When you see these up arrows, you have a momentum shift to the upside. Rule number two would be these arrows right here. That'll be rule number 2, the blue and the red ones. Rule number 3 would be this line right here. In an uptrend, it is blue. In a downtrend, it is red, right? So how do we use that to give us an advantage? Well, over the long haul, I created a trading system, right, that you see. And when all 3 of those things line up, you have a very good or higher probability than random, but that is just my opinion. So when you get a momentum shift to the upside, that's rule number 1. Rule number 2, when this hits 58 seconds and I get a blue arrow, which you see right here, I then would take my calls right there. I put my stop down here and I put my take profit up here. If it gets close to our take profit around 75% of the way, I would recommend going risk-free. And I would tell you that you would have gotten a small winner today because you would have got trailed out with a smaller green bag. Some days it'll just take off and really, really bless you. Actually, was that our first? Yeah, that was our first call. If we come back here and we look at yesterday and we trade the same exact system, our momentum shift. Oh, it's want to play games. All right. Let me fix that real quick. We come back here and we look at yesterday. Our momentum shift is bearish. We took this first red arrow. We put a trail stop in. We reaped the reward. We're 1-0. Then we got momentum shift to the upside. We took some calls here. Here's our stop. And we end up trailing out over here for a winner. It finally went off to hit your target right over here at this wick. You are 2-0 for the day using butter. You are done. Today, we are 1-0. The last 2 days, you could have been 3-0 if you taken every single butter trade that you would have got. So whenever you hear us say we're taking a butter call or a butter put, this is the chart that we're referencing to and what we're talking about. Second off, we use momentum shifts here to take breakouts and breakdowns, right? When this momentum shift print to the upside, what we like to do is wait for structure to push up, come down. We are in an uptrend right here. When this breakout, we take calls right there where we got one winner. We never got a second breakout. We need to break this level right here of 396.89. If that does break out, you have another breakout, another probability to get another winning trade. However, if it does break out, you always have to have a plan. If I look at something and I say, let's just say my breakout was right here and we took calls. If price comes up, comes down, it comes up and breaks out, I'm putting my stop loss right here. If it breaks out here, I'm going to put my stop loss right down here. Knowing when the structure is larger, I risk a smaller dollar amount because I'm a defensive trader. You have to understand that as well. Every trade I take, I want to know how much I could lose instead of win per trade, but that is just me. Moving along. So when we take breakouts or breakdowns, we reference the momentum shifts, and that's how I shouldn't say that's how I view it, and I feel that's what gives me a good probability over the long haul. Next chart right here, you got boogie, and you got the floor plus ceiling. What happens is if we zoom out and we see this right here, today's not as a good example because we had that news roll over here. But when the orange line is underneath our smart price line, this line right here that turns red and green, if candles are underneath it, it is red. If it is above it, it turns green. When candles are when the line is below it, we're looking for short opportunities, right? I'll take reversal arrows down. Right here would be a reversal arrow. You get right there was one. There what you played out. Here was another reversal arrow. Here would have been your stop, end up rolling over. Here's another reversal arrow, ends up pushing in your favor. It is a technique used to get into the trade. As long as this orange line holds underneath our smart price line, then our trend we would expect to continue to be bearish. Then you come over here to yesterday. We were pushing down right here. We took a breakdown. Here was your stop. You got stopped out for a loss. Then we crossed to the upside. You get a reversal arrow right there is another entry. You could take a breakout right here. You can take another breakout here. You could take another breakout here. And then when price came down and touched it, we got another reversal arrow here you could have taken. And then price pushed to the downside. We rolled over a little bit. We got one little breakdown, nice little scalp. And then price got back to the upside. And to me, it's not random that we got an expansion to the upside. It normally does not move this much. Then we got pushed to the downside. I would probably think we're going to start getting larger moves to the downside than to the upside. However, that is just my opinion. That is how I use Boogie. So as of right now, Boogie is still bearish. So I would be expecting to get a move down until this makes that cross and gives us a positive situation to put our money into. But that is just me. Floor and ceiling technique. Every day we come in, the market puts a high and a low in. I do have more teaching inside the YouTube channel. We have our ceiling here. We have our floor here. If we break out right there, we get expansion in our favor. If we break the floor, we typically get expansion to the downside. If you trade the floor and ceiling this week, every single day, you did not lose a day. Wednesday technically did not hit our target. However, we break rules on Wednesdays and we go risk-free even faster than before. Hump day, wacky Wednesday, whatever you want to call it. I always tell people our objective is to get green, stay green, and then go about your day. But once again, that is just my opinion. And that's how I trade, right? You may disagree, and that is totally fine. Second off, so we trade that. You got butter, you got boogie, and you got floor and ceiling. These two charts right here are system 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 on both charts, right? For teaching purposes and for you guys that are new, some people's watching over on YouTube, some people is inside our live chat room. These systems right here for teaching purposes is both SPY, but they have the systems kind of split up so that on Fridays, every Friday, we end up teaching it. Also, if you're in our server, we do a freebie Friday. And if you need the link for that, never hesitate to reach out or comment below, and I'll hook you up for next Friday, or you can just watch the stream on YouTube. Moving along now. This chart down here, we call this SPY Crusher, right? SPY Crusher is on a 15-minute candlestick chart. 2 rules. You have an orange arrow and a red candle. The trend is down. You have an orange arrow and a green candle. SPY Crusher trend is to the upside. I don't trade solely from this system. I use it as a trend bias. And when system 1, 2, and 3 matches SPY Crusher, it doesn't happen a lot, but it happens more than not. That is a super high probability setup, if you ask me. And that's something that you want to take advantage of. You come into yesterday, we were trending down, and then we got put in an uptrend. Look what happens. We got follow through over the next couple bars. Then we get put in a downtrend. You got a little bounce. You got follow through to the downside. Then you put in an uptrend. You did not get followed through. Bummer, right? You get put in a downtrend. You got a little bit of follow through, and that's kind of a choppy day. Some days you'll be up, and then you'll be down, and then you'll be up, and then you'll be down. The trend is your friend. Here, all day long, we're trending down. We were not even interested in taking calls until right here at the very end of the day, and then we got this little pop. You see how SPY Crusher could help you out as a trend. I do not like to go against SPY Crusher, and if I do not trade with a lot of size because my largest losses came when I was going against the SPY Crusher. Moving along here. If you like to trade, I am a trend trader. I like to scalp. This is our zones chart, or our reversal chart, I should say. Zone/reversal. If you like to trade reversals, this is a pretty good setup for you. If you get a red arrow and a red candle, you take your put when this candle closes, and this will be your stop loss. You get expansion in your favor, risk-free. Then you take a call trade here. On this candle, this will be your stop loss. You'd expect to get expansion to the upside. This red arrow did print to the downside. As soon as we get our first red candle, that is going to give us a reversal signal to short. And our cloud is telling us that it is bearish as well. So that is a good situation to be in if you're looking for a short setup, right? So if you like to trade reversals, I would highly recommend paying attention to this chart. Do we win every single trade? Absolutely not. I'm not here to tell you that I'm the best trader in the world, that the tools I use win every single trade, because they don't. But what I can tell you is they give me an advantage over time. Yesterday, we picked the bottom. We took calls here. Here was our stop loss. We got expansion to the upside. We called the reversal. Here's your stop loss. We got expansion to the downside. I believe if you get 2 net winning trades a day on the day trading side, stop and go enjoy your day. Why? Because tomorrow we'll do the same exact thing. That is just my motto. I try to get green, stay green, and then you compound those winners. I've traded all day long and actually gave back all my winners. So I told myself I am done doing that. But that is just me. So to make things easy for me, I get my 2 net winners and then I try to be done for the day and I don't take any more. It doesn't mean I'm not watching the markets or forward testing per se, as if I buy something here and watch some of the charts. I do that. However, as far as my real capital, I do not like to risk any of that. Once again, that is just me. Last little chart, this one right here. Where the stars at? We call this our institutional chart, right? You have your supply and demand areas, red and green. Reds are resistance. Greens are support. What typically happens is if you have a support, like right here, you have a huge support, price comes up, pushes down, it'll bounce off of this, and it'll hit your targets. You have your resistance here. It goes right up to your target. If it breaks this, you have another target here, you have another target here, and you got 2 other targets here. So people always ask me, Brandon, where's it going? Where's it going? I don't know where it's going, but from a probability standpoint, if we bounce here, I know that we have a target of 397.50 first stop. Second stop is 483. Third stop is the 407 to 409 area. Why? Because these are resistance. These are magnets. When we start pushing to the upside and get some bullish days, price will go right to these magnets, I like to say. And that's how I can determine where it's potentially headed on a higher time frame chart. Now, remember, this time frame, it's a 30-minute candles. So it takes a while for them to open and close, well, 30 minutes to be exact. So I don't specifically trade from it, but I do like to know where high areas of problems may come in the future. But once again, like I said, that is just me. So when you trade with system 1, 2, or 3, and you trade with the probabilities and use proper risk management and you stay consistent, you have a very good chance to finish the week green. I do not view any single one trade as a win or loss. I view the week as if I'm red or green, and that determines if I won or lost for the week. So many people try to micromanage their stuff and say, well, I lost this trade, now I'm down, now I'm done. That's totally fine. Me, I don't do that because you get too caught up in trying to perfect every trade and knowing that you're not going to win every trade. You don't want to get rid of your mindset, right? Trading is about the mindset. You have to be strong. You can't let your feelings get attacked. To help that, trade with something so little that your emotions aren't attached. So if you like how I day trade, how I get the probability, I expect to win. Out of every 10 trade cycle, I expect to win 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 trades out of 10. And then it resets and I come back and do it again on the next trade sample size, right? If you do not like the day trade, then I'd recommend paying attention right now. Next thing, this is how I day trade. This is how I scalp. I do also swing trade. My motto is this. I day trade for my job. I swing trade to help grow my account. And then I use the profits of both of them to pay my bills and buy dividend shares. So every share that I own is with profits. So technically, if the company goes to zero, I never lost, right? Even though you did lose the money in the company, but if you're buying it with net profits, then it doesn't really matter. Another reason why I do that is because when you buy it with net profits, right, and you put in dividend stocks, I get paid every 3 months on different companies, but now I get paid every month through different companies just for holding the shares or investing my money in that company. It's a good situation to be in. So when you day trade 1 stream, swing trade 2 stream, you put in dividend shares for your 3rd stream, that is a good situation to be in, especially when the shares start pushing up in your favor and we go into a bullish market. Anyway, how do I have an advantage, right? We're going to look at SPY over the last year. I have 2 sets of rules. We got the beast mode breakout down here, and we got our 55 EMA right there. If price is above the 55 EMA, I'm taking my first green box. Then the red boxes or circles is a reset. And then I'm taking calls again here. and then I'm resetting. I'm taking calls again here. If price is below the 55 EMA, I'm taking my first red box, right? See how easy that is? Trading is easy, in my opinion, if you stay disciplined to following your plan and let the trades come to you. I am never in a rush to take a trade. That is just me because I know the power with some of the tools that we use, and that's just what I do daily, right? So if you traded with me for the whole year, and you just traded SPY, you have a super high probability to be green, right? I'll prove it to you. Here, this first green box, we'd be taking calls. I buy 4 weeks of time. I look to get out in 10 trading days or less, and my stop out is a close below the 55. So this trade right here, I'd buy calls at the very end of the day, and then the next day we gap up from 470 up here to 472.87, almost $3. That is enough for me to get my 15 to 30% ROI, at least 10 to 30%, we'll say, anywhere in that range. My average is about 30, 35%. So just to give you some food for thought, here's our first trade. We take it, we'd be 1-0. Then we get a reset. We take another trade right here. Price pushes up over the next 2 days, hits your targets. You're now 2-0. Then we get a reset. We take calls again right here, and price pushes up over the next 2 or 3 days. There's another winner. There's 3-0. Then we get a reset. Now we close underneath our 55 with our first box. We are now 4-0. Now we're bearish. We reset. We take puts here. Right there's a winner. Doesn't look like much, but that is about a $4 drop. We are 4-0. Now we're 5-0. Then we take calls here. We get stopped out the next day. We're 5-1. Then we take puts. Now we are 6-1. Then we get a reset, and we take puts right here. We are now 7-1. Then we get a reset. We take puts here. We are now 8-1. Then we get a reset. We take puts here. We are now 9-1. Then we get a reset. We get back above the 55. We take calls here. We are now 10-1. Then we get a reset. We take calls here. Never pushes up. We get stopped out there. We are now 10-2. Then we take puts. This does not look like a crazy move, but the next day it drops down about $4. We're 10-2. We are now 11-2. Then we get a reset. We take puts here. Once again, the next day, this low, we're 11-2, 35. This closed at 37. That's almost a $3 drop. We're 11-2. We would now be 12-2. We take calls here. 13-2. We take puts here. 14-2. We get a reset. We take puts here. 15-2. Reset, puts here. 16-2. We take puts right here. Next day we gap down $2. 16-2. Now we're 17-2. We take puts right here. 18-2. We take puts right here. 19-2. We take puts right here. 19-2. 20-2. We take puts right here. 21-2. We take puts right here. Price never pushes back down. We take calls right here. We were 20-2. We'd be 20-3. We take calls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20-3, 21-3. We get a reset. We take calls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th day. 21-3. Now we're 22-3. Then we take calls here. 1, 2, 3, 23-3. Then we get a reset. We don't get nothing. We don't get nothing. We get back above it right here. 23-3, 24-3. Then we get puts right here. 24-3, 25-3. Reset. We take puts here. 26-3. Reset. We take puts here. You get stopped out right there for a loss. 26-4. We take calls. 27-4. Then we get underneath. 28-4. Then we take our calls here. We lose. 28-5. We take puts here. Next day we lose. 28-6. We take calls here. 29-6. We take calls again right here. 29-6. Or no, I'm sorry, right here. 29-6. That's 30-6. Over the last year, we have 30 divided by 36 total trades, and your win rate is 83%. Who would not want to trade with with a 83% and higher probability? That's why I'm confident when a signal presents itself that I take the trade, I go about my business, and go enjoy the day, right? So that's how I day trade. That's how I scalp. I'm a trend trader. That's how I swing trade. Last little thing. I told you I like to buy in dividend stocks. A company I really like is Hershey. I'm from Pennsylvania. Think about what I just shown you and taught you. Now you got to be opposite. When price gets underneath the 55 and we get our first green box, I'm buying shares here. Only on a dividend stock, though. Only on a dividend stock. You follow me? So, with that being said, I marked my charts up where I would have bought over the last year. You would have got an entry down here. You would have bought another entry here. My cost basis is about 190. And look where the share price is, 242. So now, if you pull up the calculator, because I'm a visual guy, and you take 242 minus 190, that equals $52 net profit per share in less than a year, divided by my cost basis of 190. I'm up 27% ROI. However, you got to remember this. We also collected 1, 2, 3, 4 dividends. So if this pays me 3.5%, 4% a year, I can add in 0.004 and equal it. I'm really up 31% ROI. At any given time, you can take profits on your shares. I'm younger. I'm building up my retirement account. So like if you bought in here, you could almost sell out right here for quick profits. Comes back down, you miss your opportunity. Comes back down, you could buy in again and then sell out on the next turn up if you don't want to be holding your capital. If you want to keep accumulating like me, I'm accumulating them, and that's what I do. I accumulate them and let them rip up. And to me, that is why I say day trading's made easy. With that being said, I appreciate you and your time. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had some fun today. Did not play out the way I wanted it to in a perfect world, but when is trading ever perfect? Nonetheless, Amazon did pay me. SPY did pay us a little bit. And hey, we have to go enjoy our day. Happy Friday. If you ever have questions, comments, or concerns, never hesitate to reach out. With that said, appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Beast mode out.